Hey guys, so I'm back with these knitting inspired nails and I'm absolutely obsessed with how they came out. If you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So I'm starting off with my Moyu London hipster plate and a black polish. I'll leave below which one it was. I stamped these knitting needles and the knitting underneath. So keeping those knitting needles on the plate, I just use a light brown polish to fill in the needles. And then again I stamped the knitting patterns underneath. And just fill that in with a purple hollow. And then on my middle and ring finger, I just painted with this lilac purple. And then using my Moyu London Fall in Love plate, I just stamped the sweater weather in black. And on my middle finger, I stamped that near the top. And then I applied a little bit of foil glue at the bottom of the nail, and once that was tacky, I just stamped on one of those knitted designs. And on my ring finger, I just painted the whole nail with foil glue. And once that was tacky again, I just used my tweezers and peeled off the knitting needles and placed that straight on my nail. Because it's an old stamper, so I couldn't really see through it, so I just peeled it off. And then I just stamped the other knitted design underneath. For my index and pinky finger, I painted with a purple hollow. And then with this Moyu London Fashionista plate, I just stamped the design in purple. And finally, a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these sweater nails. I like these. I think the mixture of the hollow and the light purple, it goes together really well. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!